all I got is 2 blown up disc cutters. But I remember buying this when I was a pretending carpenter. And I'm wondering what's in there. And can I put a in there on it there? You know what I mean? Brand new, never used. Look, there's not a scratch on it. But you know, it's cheap, it's nasty, and how the fuck do you take it apart? So let's just rip this flipping thing to pieces. And see what it's made of. Nice blade in it. Right, which way is undo that, you bastard? See? Brand new. Never touched wood in his life. I'm never going to. Well, look at that. Let's undo that, see what that does. Just keep on doing things, isn't it? And how we get behind there. Okay, let's keep going. Let's make or break, you know, let's make or break. I know what disc cut is what. 20 quid. It's like a couple of days away from Christmas. Spending 20 quid on this shite. What's keep it down there? That should come off there now. Hey, Ali. I could make a thing just to fit on there like that. Looks stupid, but it would work. But we'll take the friggin' head off and have a look what size it is. Well, it looks a similar worm, don't it? Apart from that silly bush there, like. You know, I could. You know, I got. Wait there. Have I got my phone on me? What do you want your phone for? Because my phone is actually a torch. On his day off. I know I got a head out here. I knew I had one, but there's no totally in there. I'm sure I got more than one out there somewhere. You see how clever I'm getting now? I even looked to see if it was plugged in. Let's just shove that back in there. I can just cut that off tomorrow with the works disc cutter. If I can't find another one. If I put that in there, 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 that down in there, and that down in there. me a flapper. And let's see if we can get that on there so it stays on there safely. So we got that. Some people are saying what a waste, but the thing is, I don't think there was more than 20 quid, you know, so I could go and buy one for 20 quid, but I'm never going to use this. I'm never going to become a carpenter. You all know that much. So it's just a matter of, oh, look how sharp the lead is. Fucking China again. Fucking China. Don't have it's held on there with a Allen key, and then it's just a matter of cut all this nonsense off with another disc cutter. Right, moment of truth. Does this work? Because I've never plugged it in. See, it's still got the paper thing on it. 4-inch on wangy. That goes in there. That gets it your way. And we're back in business. For all you people who think I'm mad, I've saved the day. Put that in there a minute. I was going in, but we just will give it a good test. Keep going by there now, so you've got to press a button. Right, I'd like to thank you. It does work. It was 81 ways to leave your lover. As I said, even had a little baggie on it. Just see if the price was on it. A biscuit jointer. After sales support. Oh wow, a 3-year factory warranty. I think I've had it on 3 years. 900 watt. Oh, that's not bad. No price, but I don't think it was more than 20 quid. So I'm happy. Alright, you're not. Oh, he's wasted a bloody nice machine, but I've just got a nice little machine that I want. I will circuit test all these others tomorrow. What the fuck is that? Oh, somebody give me a biscuit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget the giveaway is coming up soon, so if you're not subscribed, I suggest you subscribe now and tick the bell, because if you tick the bell, I'll be giving a video of telling you how to enter the giveaway. You never know, you could win.